So hello and namaste from Mumbai. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, um, homeopathic approach in today's times. With the situation with the allergies around, with the situation with the pollution, with the situation with the way the environment is changing, how as homeopaths we can help our patients, our colleagues. So that's the idea I want to share with you. Some important remedies that I would like you to keep in your mind. So as you know, the whole dust pollution, the air index quality has been really going bad in some parts of India. Some parts of India, the air index is above 400, which is extremely poor. And also in other parts of the world, also even in Pakistan, even in some other parts. What are the important homeopathic remedies and what are the symptoms that our patients are having? The most important remedy I found in this situation, with this pollution causing a lot of breathlessness, asthma, and difficulty in breathing, is the remedy Pothos fetidus. It is Ictodes fetidus, skunk weed, skunk cabbage. This remedy is a very important remedy for spasms and spasms of the bronchial area. The very important part is this kind of pollution causing spasm with the situation of lot of flatus and flatulence in the abdomen. This together becomes a very important symptom complex. You could use this in 30 potency and you could give it for about 7 days. This will help to reduce the symptomatology. Of course, it is possible that later you might have to find a deeper remedy. Spasmodic croup, so sudden spasm because of this weather change. The important symptom, remember, asthma relieved by stool. This is the keynote, by the way. Remember the remedy, Pothos fetidus. Another remedy, Sinapis nigra, black mustard from Cruciferae family of Raphanus, Thiocinnaminum. This is more for pharyngitis, hay fever, and sudden stoppage of nose, especially due to this pollution. So more upper respiratory tract infection, more hay fever, more pharyngitis, more alternate nostrils being blocked, more dryness inside. The peculiar symptom is there is a lot of sweat on the upper part. Gradually, there is a little bit of breathlessness. A keynote like manganum is cough relieved by lying down. So again, this would be a remedy you would want to think in 30 potency for about a week. Go to the next remedy. A remedy prepared from the tomato, Lycopersicum solanaceae. This would be an interesting remedy. The main indication is a lot of breathlessness from dust with a lot of body ache and fever. So there is a little fever, body ache, or the patient had fever previously and then has joint pains, flu-like symptoms, has coryza, has breathlessness, and they are inside the room and the breathlessness increases. There is itching everywhere inside. It reminds you remedies like Vyathia, Ambrosia, Sabadilla. And I'm just giving you some clinical indication because I just wanted to share with you some important remedies other than the typical arsenic alb and antimony Rs. Other than that, which are these important remedies that we need to keep in our mind is something that I wanted to share with you. Bromium. Bromium. It's a very important remedy. Bromium. probably the most commonest ones that I've used, especially in different parts of northern India. This would be an important remedy. Why? Also because the weather is very hot. Hmm? October, November will be a little bit of heat. There's a weather change. So being overheated with dust aggravation causing cough and dry cough, the first remedy we need to think is bromium with this spasmodic kind of state here and rattling inside the mucus. When you ask them to breathe, the main problem is they can't breathe enough properly. This is bromium. Another remedy, Sticta pulmonaris, lungwort. Here, it's again, this is very important remedy for this kind of pollution-related influenza, coryza, and a lot of pain around the neck. This is the keynote. They even develop conjunctivitis-like symptoms. Sticta. But the mind symptom is they want to talk, they want to share their symptoms with someone. Sticta. A deeper remedy, a much deeper remedy. And most of the remedies I told you are more acute remedy. This is more deeper remedy. One of the deeper remedy when indicated is silica. Many cases require silica. Of course, when the indication is strong, with this dust allergy, silica is such an important remedy. Such an important remedy. Lycinum, also lesser known remedy. It's a a nosor prepared from rabies. Very important for sudden spasm of the bronchioles due to the air pollution, and also the feeling of wrong suffered, feeling of everything is wrong, and they will just have sudden violent anger. Even children, they will have sudden spasm, sudden asthma, and they will be screaming, shouting. They have a piercing screaming is lycinum, along with plumbum metallica. Finally, an Indian remedy, very rampantly used in Kolkata, Justicia Ada Thoda, Vasaka. Again, in mother tincture, this is the one of the very important remedy where there is coryza, lacrimation, and throat infection. When you see coryza, lacrimation, cough, and throat, all four together, with a lot of watering of eyes, needs Justicia Ada Thoda. Highly efficacious for acute catarrhal condition in the beginning. Natrum arsenicosum. So I'm giving you a lot of different differential diagnosis of remedies. Finally, you have to study the remedy and see if the remedy matches the patient. But these are clinical hints that I want to share with you. Natrum arsenicosum is more for children who are getting frequent cough and cold in different parts due to the air pollution, causing a lot of dryness of eyes, dryness of nose. Think about natrum ars. And of course, the big nosode that we have, the sorinum, prepared from a seropurulent matter of scabies vesicles. So this is a remedy, when indicated, very often can remove the tendency of asthma, coryza, hay fever in today's time. So it's something that we need to keep in our mind. So these are different remedies I wanted to share with you. So we want to invite you for our new course, Homeopathic Strategies in Dermatological Disorders. This is a course starting very soon, and it's a weekend online certificate course. So many skin cases are increasing in today's times due to our faulty lifestyle, food habits, sleep patterns, the allopathic medication, the vaccination, so many things from children to adults. So common cases of allergies, eczema, urticaria, psoriasis, lichen planus, autoimmune disorders. How we can help with homeopathy. So this is an online weekend certificate course. All of you can join. Any one of you can join. You will be getting a certificate towards the end of it. We also have a special WhatsApp group where every week cases are solved by all of you, and the people who get the maximum answer get a special gift from us. How to solve these kind of different cases? Hmm? With homeopathy, with the right way of repertory, with materia medica, with the idea of kingdom, with the idea of miasm, all together. This would be the idea. With the finest homeopathic teachers in the country and across the world. We have homeopaths, Dr. Gajanan, Dr. Bodkar, Dr. Mayuresh, Dr. Praveen Jain, Dr. Umranwala, Dr. Rasal, Dr. Anna, myself, and all of us together coming for you. So I especially want to invite you for this. You have our email ID for this, gaurang@gmail.com. Become a part of this with a special discount which is available at this moment for the next few days. I look forward to have you with us. The session starts on 24th November. Thank you.